Hello and welcome back everybody to this Thor ScratchJr game tutorial. In this game I've made a Thor and some ice giants, which Thor has to defeat the ice giants within the time. It's got a countdown timer to be victorious. Now here is Thor. I basically adapted one of the people characters. If you want to know how to do this or want me to make a video, please leave a comment below and I will do that. The ice giants are essentially a person just coloured in blue. Also, we've got a circle for the clock face, an arrow which was made with a rectangle and a triangle as the arm, and then you've got your different ice giants there. The squares here, the classic how I make my joypads. So let me go through the code now for all of this. So Thor is basically controlled by the squares, the joypad. So when the orange one is pressed, it sends an orange message. Red one is pressed, a red message. Yellow, a yellow message. Green, a green message. And then Thor responds as directed there. The clock face has no code on it whatsoever. The arrow has this code, which basically it moves one increment every 10th of a second. Obviously, there's 12 bits in a clock, so that repeats by 12. And then when it completes that, it goes to the victory. Goes to the victory screen where Thor is essentially got a code that moves. He then says victory and moves backwards and forwards saying victory. The ice giants have got no code on them, but what is important to think about is to rotate them in the paint function, because if you just rotate them here, when you start off, they stand back up again. So that's that. The ice giants do have some code on them, so they are made slightly different sizes, and there's a slight delay in them appearing. And when they get touched, we want them to stop. Same with this one here, slightly different movement pattern, and that one there. And finally, this one here. This one does reappear again, because it's the biggest one. I thought it'd be quite nice for it to reappear. Really important that you map the ice giants so they don't touch into each other, because at any time they touch, they'll disappear. And we want Thor to touch them and make them disappear, not bumping into each other. So they essentially kill themselves. Right, here we go. Let's have another walk through then. So full screen, green flag to start. Off they go. Right, we've attacked that one. Let's attack this big one here. Got him. Notice the clock is going round. We've got the big one again. And there we go. Time is up and we go to the final screen. Hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Have fun making it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.